To fix the problem where one of the earbuds is not working on Sony WF-C510, first we need to open a case and make sure that both of the earbuds are sitting inside. Then look on the back, find the circle button. You will need to click and hold it. So currently I'm gonna click on it. Then while holding it, look on the front of the case where there's a LED lamp, and you will need to wait a few moments until it starts glowing with the red light. So there's a blue light, and right after that we'll see a red light. Now keep holding until this light disappears. And you can let go. Now the problem should be fixed. You can enter repairing mode by holding this button again, but this time until you can see a blue light. Now pair it with your device and see if the problem is gone.